Hello all. So in this video we'll be seeing the unboxing of all new JBL Tune 160BT Bluetooth headphone. So let's quickly unbox. So in the kit we have the headphones, and we have the user manual, and we have an USB charging cable and extra earbuds. We have two pairs of extra earbuds. So this is all we have in the box. So let's quickly see what is there in this Bluetooth headphone. So here so this is looking good. The plastic is very good, and here you have three buttons. One is the plus, volume plus and minus, and we have the power button in between, and also we have the USB charging place where we can insert the USB charging and charge this headphone. And on this other side, this is just like a mic, and also we have an light indicator, so which may indicate the the battery down, power on, power off, all those things. And so I have used this headphone for a day, so it's really good. The backup of this particular charger is 6 hours, so that is what they have mentioned. Actually it's 6 hours, and I have checked this as well, so this is looking the same what they have mentioned. And the battery life is good, and the sound quality is also good. The bass is pretty normal. No, it's like okay thing. And so according to me, this is the good headphone at this price. So I just bought it on Amazon for 1,200 bucks in offer. And also this is a magnetic tip, so that this will not fall around your head when it's not in use. So this is the headphone, and thanks for watching the review.